Okay, in this video I seem to have a bad grease fitting on my tie rod. I recently changed it out and I'm going to go ahead and change out this grease fitting because I'm not able to put any grease inside of the tie rod. So I just bought some new grease fittings and I'm going to go ahead and find the one that fits and change it out. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out. And the reason why I'm pulling it out is that it's jammed. As you can see right there, I'm not able to put any kind of grease in there. It came like that. So go ahead and, I don't know what size that is, but go ahead and change that out. Here are the grease fittings. Okay, and you have different sizes, so I think the M6, if I can get it, this size right here is the one that I need right here, and that is the small one right down here at the bottom. Okay, I got a new one, the one on the left, and I'm just going to go ahead and change it out, and hopefully I can put some grease in there, because the one on the right is not working right. That's the one I pulled out. Okay, so I'm going to try to line that up. Okay, it's screwing right in, just like that. Try to tighten it down. This one's going on a whole lot easier than the one that came off. Okay, just like that right there, I guess. The other one is a whole lot more difficult. So, you can see right there, I had a hard time getting that one on there. But you can see the heads right here. This one is jammed, but this one isn't. So I'm gonna get my grease gun and try to put some grease in it. Okay, I got my grease gun. Go ahead and attach it. Okay, I have to put this camera down. Okay, I got my grease gun attached to it, and I'm going to go ahead and pump some grease in there. Seems like it's kind of full, so it's going on in there. So that was pretty simple. Only took a few minutes to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, and that'll be it.